Hi guys, welcome back to Origami Twist. My name's Jen, and in today's video we're going to make a pentagon. So to start, you need a square sheet of paper. I'm using a 15 centimeter origami paper, but you can use anything you've got available to you. And ideally I would also get a piece of cardboard that you could, like from a cereal box, for example, that you can trace your pentagon onto, so you don't have to do this every single time you need a pentagon. Okay, so we're going to take one edge, bring it up to the opposite edge and crease. And with the open edge away from you, you're going to take this upper left-hand corner and this bottom left-hand corner, this line segment between the two, and you're going to line it up with this bottom edge. Like so. We're then going to open up the fold that we just made and use the bottom left hand corner to come up to the end of that line segment that we've just created. Alternatively, what we're doing is taking this edge here and lining it up with this edge here, paying special attention to that corner. Now, so you can see it on your screen, I'm just going to create a quick little line where these two creases meet, and we're going to take this bottom corner down here and line it up with that intersection. So you won't need to make that line at home, that's just so you can see it on your screen. Now there isn't any other line segment to line up here, it's literally just put that corner on that dot. So when you do, you want to be very careful that those two are matching, because that is the only indicator here for this crease. So put your finger right on the top of it once you know it's accurate, and push away with your hand or with your bone folder and create a crease. Next, we're going to take this line segment here, so the corner of this and the new corner we've just created, take that line segment and line it up with this line segment and crease. Next, we're going to take this new line segment. So before we had a line segment here, but now it's moved out a little bit. We're going to create a new crease with this bottom line segment and line it up with this new line segment we've just created here. Without overlapping, you just want to come up and meet it, like so. Turn your paper over, and then we're going to fold this edge up to this edge and once again crease. So just a quick line here so you can see it. Again, you won't need to do that. But if you take that top flap and see where it draws across the paper, you'll notice that you've got a quadrilateral up here, or a four-sided shape up here. It's kind of irregularly shaped. Then you've got another little piece coming off the top and another little quadrilateral or four-sided shape coming out over here. All of these sections are the parts of the square that we're removing to make the pentagon. So everything from the edge of my fingers down is going to be your pentagon. So all you have to do is cut right along that edge neatly. Discard your scraps, and when you unfold it, you end up with a perfect pentagon. I highly recommend that you trace your pentagon onto some cardboard and then cut that out and use it as the template, because it is really challenging to work with something with so many folds on it. And then you can use this pentagon over and over and over again for future projects. Makes a great template. And speaking of projects, I've got one coming in my next video, which I will link in the description below once it's published. So you can go and check that out. If you're watching this from the future, it'll be in the description box. And the next project on my list is this 5-sided star that was featured in the television show When Calls the Heart a few years ago, and I believe it was their Christmas episode a few years ago. And it is folded from a pentagon. So go ahead and create your template, make a few pentagons, and then each pentagon can be folded into this beautiful five-sided star, which is perfect for a Christmas ornament. So once again, link will be in the description below once it has been published. And if you haven't, please subscribe so that you can see videos like this coming down the track from my channel. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you decide to make a whole bunch of pentagon shapes, and have a great day. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.